Equifax Honest Review. Watch before using. In this review, I'm going to give you a no-nonsense breakdown of Equifax, one of the big three credit reporting agencies. Equifax is best known for providing detailed credit reports and credit scores, but it also offers identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and credit lock services. These features are designed for anyone looking to stay on top of their credit health. Whether you're trying to improve your credit score, monitor changes, or protect yourself from identity theft. The core offering is its credit report, which you can access directly or through its various monitoring plans. Equifax's monitoring services track changes to your credit file, alerting you to potential issues like new accounts opened in your name or sudden drops in your score. Their credit lock feature is useful if you want to prevent unauthorized access to your credit without freezing your entire credit file. However, let's get into what matters most, the pros and cons. One of Equifax's strengths is its ability to offer real-time alerts, which can give you peace of mind if you're concerned about identity theft. The identity theft protection plans also include insurance coverage, offering reimbursement for out-of-pocket expenses if you're ever a victim. On the downside, Equifax's platform can feel clunky and outdated, especially compared to newer, more intuitive services. Their customer service also has a mixed reputation, with some users reporting long wait times and difficulty resolving issues. Another critical point is Equifax's 2017 data breach, where millions of customers' personal information was exposed. While the company has made strides in security since then, it's something worth considering when weighing your options. Pricing is another factor. Equifax isn't the cheapest option for credit monitoring, and free alternatives like Credit Karma exist. However, the detailed reporting and real-time alerts may make the cost worthwhile if you're looking for something more robust than free services. In conclusion, Equifax is best for people who want comprehensive credit monitoring and identity theft protection, but be aware of its limitations. If you're tech-savvy or want the most affordable option, you might want to explore alternatives.